Today we're cooking stir-fried vermicelli with egg. A quick, flavor-packed Thai favorite. Get your ingredients ready. Soft vermicelli, garlic, bird's eye chili, onion, mixed vegetables, spring onion, eggs, and any meat you like. Start by heating a little oil in a hot wok. Add your meat and stir-fry until fully cooked. Set it aside for now. Next, more oil in the wok. Garlic and chili go in. Let them release that beautiful aroma. Add sliced onions and your mixed vegetables. Stir-fry until they're bright, fresh, and just softened. Push everything to one side and crack in 4 eggs. Scramble gently, let them set, then fold them into the veggies. Now add the soft vermicelli noodles and your cooked meat back into the wok. Season with oyster sauce, seasoning sauce, a dash of dark soy for color sugar, and a sprinkle of the seasoning powder. Toss everything gently. Let the noodles soak up every drop of that glossy sauce. Add spring onions for freshness. And you're done. A hot, aromatic, delicious stir-fried vermicelli with egg. Perfect for 4 people, ready in minutes. Follow for more quick and tasty Thai